In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote a ClickBank product using a free traffic for free, as well as guys, here you can see I promoted this product called the Sambala Secret with the same traffic, and I'm able to generate like $29.25. Now, this is not a big sales, right? But if it is your first sale, then that makes sense. If it is like without website, without paid ads, then that makes sense. And if this traffic is your own traffic, that means you build this traffic and you're getting the sales, right? That makes a sense. In this video guys, I'm going to reveal the traffic source also, right? And if you're first time watching, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on every Thursday. And here you can see I have a lot of playlists. Go through this playlist of paid traffic, as well as like I have a free traffic series, as well as my earning proof and all you can watch over here. So here we are in the marketplace of ClickBank, right? Let me insert the product, right? The Sambala Secret, right? So here you can see this product called the Sambala Secret. So here you can see I bought 114 hops in this, completely free traffic, right? And the initial sale I made like $29, right? And if it's your first sale, then you will be super excited. But this sale is also a first sale for me from my free traffic, which I'm building from last 7 months. And that is guys, Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the guided search engine for visual content. That means guys, not only you can rank your pins by using the words, you can also rank right using the right visual. That means image and videos. Okay, right after Google or YouTube guys, this is the third largest search engine, and which you can use easily. Anybody can do the SEO of Pinterest here. But before I will show you the 6 steps which you have to do right away right now to start being a beginner, I just want to show you the entire story here. So if you can see, this is a Pinterest affiliate marketing series which I did almost like 7 months back. This is the time guys I lost one of my major Pinterest law of attraction page. Okay, they suspend my page because one of my friend was using that account and he was not aware how to use it. On the same time I was running this series here about the Pinterest, right? On that time I created this account here. Okay, it took almost like 7 months. Now you might be thinking, oh, it will take 7 months. No, okay, it will not take 7 months. Okay, you can expect a sale right from at least like 2 to 3 months only. But remember this guys, this is a search engine guys, people are looking, okay, after Google or YouTube, right? This is the place people looking. Okay, they use Pinterest to search, right, these pins. Okay, that I'm going to show you in a second. So I grow this account. I was also not regular with Pinterest here. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you want to grow Pinterest, this is the series you have to watch. Okay, one of the best series ever in the YouTube when it comes to Pinterest for affiliate marketer. Go and watch, you will understand that everything I have shared you there. So now let me show you the right analytics. Okay, this is very, very important here. That's what I'm showing you here. So now if I go and select like 90 days back, okay, look at the engagement rate, everything is fall here. Okay, the reason is because of my health issues, I was not like posting here. Okay, I am also not uploading videos from like Feb onward. But you can see how the engagement rate has dropped here, right? If I select this one here, and if I'm going to go with 21 days, look at this, from past 21 days I am very active. I started posting and you can see the engagement rate here. This you can't do with your YouTube channel guys, right? This you can't do with your blog, but you can do with Pinterest. And with a blog and Pinterest guys, to rank on the keywords like law of attraction, make money online, it's really, really hard. It will take 1.5 years, 2 years, very hard work. Okay, but that is worth it. Okay, but in Pinterest guys, you can start right away right now, and you can rank your page or the pins on any right high search right keywords here. Okay, that all I covered in the series over there. So let me show you some of the major metrics here, that is like pin clicks. Okay, what is a pin clicks means guys? All right, these are your pins, okay, that I'm going to show you in a second, the 6th step. So these are the pins, right? If somebody is going to go click in your pins, okay, that will be considered as a pin clicks. Okay, which is also, you can see like 109 clicks. Okay, which is amazing. This is considered as a link click in your ad. Okay, you're running a Facebook ad, you got like 100 clicks. How much you have to pay for it? Okay, but here you can see this all are like 21 days. This can be more. My goal is to take it to 500 link click. Once it reach to 500 link clicks guys, the most important thing is your second matrix, which is called outbound clicks. Okay, so what is the outbound clicks? Once if somebody is going to clicking in your right image or the pin, and then they will click to see the landing page or the website, so that they can see your affiliate offer. Okay, once they click to this website, right, that will be considered as a outbound click, okay, which is also right now is growing. Right now you can see 39. Just focus on, right, uploading your own pins if you're already doing this. Okay, once it reaches to 500 clicks, pin clicks, automatically your outbound click will go to 250 clicks, because I have many other, right, Pinterest page also. So let me share you the 6 step right now you have to take to start with. So the first step to promote ClickBank product for free is to find a good product. You can also go with this product, right, Sambala Secret, there is no issues. But right, you can also go, like, there are many product here like Soul Manifestation. Okay, especially do not go for a high ticket product. I have not seen more conversion with Pinterest, right, if you are selecting a high ticket product. So go with low ticket products like this here. Okay, so you can see this initial conversion is like $18, right, and this is perfect here. So if you open their affiliate page, you'll also get a lot of tools which you can use here. Look at this product, have a blog post and review articles. This can help you a lot, right, to right, create a free website that I'm going to show you in a second here. Okay, so look at this one here, right, it's all are free, and which is convert very, very well, right? Any social media platform, guys, first you have to provide values. So once if you got all these things, guys, your second major web step is to create a free website with Google site. Now if you have a domain, guys, then please add the domain, because that will give you an advantage. Okay, and if you have a domain and hosting, if you can get that, then go with WordPress, because this is amazing, because you're going to get tons of traffic from, right, Pinterest as well as with the search engine also. Okay, by doing little bit SEO, you don't need to be the king of SEO for that. Okay, so look at this website over here, right? This is here you can see, let me show you this one. This is created with the Google site only, no hosting. No hosting is expensive, but domain is really cheap. And all these articles which you're seeing right now, guys, is got from that, right, Soul Manifestation or Manifestation Magic kind of offer. Any niche, this thing work, guys. If you want to make money online, key to whatever it is, okay, you can use this one over here. So if you can see, these are right, I wrote on the same domain, right, which I showed you here, right? Look at this, the hidden technique. If I click this one, right, it will take you right to the same domain, right? Look at this, Manifestation Angel. That's what you need. Once right, you can edit this all right here. Look at this, everything is very easy to edit this one here. Okay, the third major step is, guys, to create a Pinterest account, of course, right? And make sure, guys, you're creating a Pinterest account in pinterest.com. If you create in a .com, you're going to get these options like business, create, analytics, and ads. And if you're not getting that, go here, right, and request a feature. Okay, you're going to get that. Then, guys, the important thing is, guys, optimizing your right profile or the bio, because, guys, in Pinterest you can rank your profile, you can rank the pin, you can rank in the board also with little SEO, right? So that you must go to the setting here. Look at this, right? You can insert the right word, what your page is all about, right? And you will rank here. For example, let me go here and let me insert some topic like, right, what is mindfulness, right? This is already there. So if I go here, look at this. If you want to see the video, you will see all the videos about mindfulness. If you want to see the pupil, now this is the account. Look at the account which is ranking in this particular keywords. Okay, so you should watch my series. You will learn how to optimize your account. Okay, now the fourth step is to create the boards here. So right now, which you're seeing over here is all, right, known as board. You can create many board on a same niche, right, right, by using different keywords over here, right? So to create a board, guys, click here and click here in the board, right? And now you have to name the board, right? Something like this, right? Manifestation, and you can click here, create, and right, you can do not save the pins from here. Okay, that is not the right thing. First, optimize your board, because your board can also rank. Pin, board, profile, everything can be ranked. So click here in the board, right? Write a good description, guys. That's very important here. Description will help you to rank your board itself. For example, you can see there are many boards over here, right? If I click in money manifestation board, right, here you can see how I wrote the description, right? Okay, do not do the keyword stuffing here. With that, you will, right, you will lose that board, right? And they will suspend your account also, right? So money manifestation, use the proper keyword by learning from others. Okay, do not copy anybody's boards or anything here. Okay, build this traffic platform for a long term, guys, right? And this will help you a lot, right? You can easily reach to $100. Just $29 is just the starting, right? and you can do this right away right now. Once if you create a board, the next step is to create a pin here. Okay, so this is the very important fifth step, right? To create a pin, you can use the free tool called Canva, that you can create a video pins. Video pins are trending right now. You can create an image, right? And make sure you're optimizing your images. Use the high attractive images. Do not use copyrighted images, because image will help you to rank. That's right, that's what, right? Video will help you to rank. And whatever you're writing here in the keyword, make it relevant here. Okay, relevancy is the key in Pinterest. Okay, you can download this pin here, right? Just clicking here, pin, the pins which you made from Pinterest, right? Click here, right? Look at this one, right? It's a video pin over here, and you have to now write a proper, right, headline for this. Okay, well, for example, let's say if I want to create a pin for this one, reprogram your subconscious mind, you can optimize the description, because this description will help you to rank here. Okay, and you can also use the URL over here, and you can insert the URL over here. Okay, and you can also put the relevant tags, all right, something like this. Okay, spirituality, and write a good description. Okay, and you can publish it. You can, right, also schedule this post. All those things you can do in a relevant boards, right? Whatever the boards you want to do this thing here. And the last sixth major step is, guys, provide values. So what other people are teaching you in YouTube is, guys, just pin the affiliate link. Do not do this, guys. Pinterest do not like this. Pinterest shut down your account, right, if you're promoting a lot of affiliate links, right? My formula is, which you will see in the series, 90%, 95% of, right, values. Okay, you can post other people's, or you can save other people's pin, right, as well as your pin also. Like for example, if you're starting out, start with 5 pin in a day. Post only 5 pins, other people's pin, right, including your pins. Okay, more you post your own pins, because you don't need to be a blogger right now. I showed you, right, the way, right? You can create this kinds of article. With one article, guys, you can create many pins. Okay, relevant pins. This is the sixth step, guys, which you have to use right away right now to have an amazing Pinterest account, which is a long-term traffic, which is a high quality traffic coming from search engine, guys. Not only like $29, you're going to make $100, right? I was making $100 with my old account, right? So all I'm going to show you with this account also in upcoming time. So hope you enjoy and like this video. If you enjoy and like the video, guys, then smash the like button, share your valuable comments in the comment, right? And let me know if you want to know something else. And before you go, guys, I will recommend you to watch these 2 videos, because this will help you to do the proper SEO of your Pinterest account. Another will help you to set up your account, and from there you can go with making your first sale.